Here's my buddy Oleg's truck, Sandy Cats. It's got the best system for pumping out water with that electric battery pump. But check out that wrap. It's amazing. And this is probably the most robust system that you can put 37s on this bad boy. It's gonna put it through its paces, so this is probably the nicest it'll look, because if you know, like, he'll put this thing through major paces. Look at that. Total custom rear. There's his water system right here. I got a link that I'll have at the end of this video or in the description if you're interested. It works with the scepter tanks and it's awesome. It just comes shooting out. Look at that. What a beaut. All right, cruising the land, coming at you from Southern California. This is Yoda Knights, the 3rd anniversary. It is August 12th, Saturday. And this show is packed. That's my rig there. That's my buddies, FJ40, both on 40-inch tires. He's got the King shocks. I've got the old school spring over axle springs, but it does the job. It's a big turnout. They got lots of booths this year, as far as the eye can see. So let's go check out what they got. Oh, check out the menace. My daughter came to the show. I had to help her find this parking spot. Dad, how do I back in? So she brought the menace. That's a diesel right-hand drive HJ61. Got an old school 40 series over here. I'll have the flex ramp tonight, so I'll get some videos of that too. Look at that. Sometimes they're just so nice. Stock pizza cutter wheels, even though those are a little bit bigger. What are these Jeeps doing here? Another 80 series for sale. Nice FJ62 square lights. Nice. I'm moving to the core middle where all the rigs are parked. I gotta get it on video that my daughter's truck's getting a picture. Good old Sun Raider. It's like the Toyota Dually. See underneath. There you go. It's a dually.
We're playing a game where we have to find you first. We have to let you roam around a little bit.
Oh, then you try to find me? What's that? Horchata?
Mackenzie, look at the beautiful little baby puppy. Look at his eyes.
Okay.
And here's Mammoth 4Runner making an appearance. Sweet rig. Oh, I think this is a toilet right here. Saw you on the flex ramp.
It was just moving. It was moving way too much. I was like, I don't know why I ever want to do that. Yeah, no, it moves.
LS swap. Sick.
It was like
Another 40 series. Want a rock crawler. A Yoda rock crawler, 18G for that. Oh, yeah, I remember that one. That one's really nice. that. And then all dressed in black. My friends from Cruiser Tech made it out. Must be walking around. If you're ever interested, I got that same bar on Otis. I gotta get this. I think that's next. See if it attaches to my slee sides. But what a beautiful rig. Beautiful trucks. But if you want to get sliders or rear bumpers from Cruiser Tech, let me know. It's actually, that's a slee. So this is the Cruiser Tech bumper on the back of Cesar's truck. Let me know. I can put you in touch. And that's a 4x4 Labs base, but with their swing outs. Man, this thing is cherry. Look at that. Here's a clean 100 series. Lifted Ironman bar. Pretty nice. All right, back to the beginning, the green machine. All right, let's stay tuned for some flex ramp. I think this 4Runner right now is actually about to do it a little early. Usually the flex ramps happen at night. Is he gonna do it? The crowd has gathered.
We got another Toyota. 4Runner getting ready to hit the ramp.
He's locking it.
See how much articulation we can get out of this. Nice looking truck. Energy suspension. There it goes. Halfway up.
Oh,
Open.
not very high. Front tires coming off, so it's all the front flex. Doesn't matter the rear. Don't matter the rear if you can't get the front up. King shocks and all. Huh. Go figure.
Not control. So it goes, the switch goes here and this goes to the air. Come on, Paul, what can you play? Man, I said a two-wheel drive.
We got a Jeep Gladiator going up.
He's gonna go higher because he's so long.
I could be mistaken, but I'm guessing that's at least 100K right there. Beautiful rig. Look at that Jeep Gladiator.
There you go, keep that line. Oh, shit! The sway bar, I need a lighter one in the rear. It's too heavy. Oh, shit, that's good. You see my guy?
Oh, he wants to come down it. Look at that tire. on that.
Can I make it over there or no? Can I make it there or no?
Nice job on that Yoda Knights over.
And the engines are fucking Chevy!
Ladies and gentlemen,
That's a deep axle for sure.
brought to you by Yoda Trader.
A little bit more. You gotta hear the whoa. You're there, bro. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Like 6 more inches, you'll be a dick.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last call for tickets. If you want to buy tickets, come get your tickets over here under the OC Yoda Knights tent. The tickets are $10 for all the prizes except for the tires. Those tickets are $20. They have RC cars. I see a floor jack. I see numerous winches over here. Your walkie tools, my refrigerator. They have an air tank. They have gears for I don't even know what the gears are for, but they are 488s, 2 sets, and then they have 2 sets of 529s. They have lights. They have the little air bottle, the high pressure one. They have winch. Okay, so there you go. If you buy tickets for the tires, they are blue.